In this video, we're going to discuss how to graph equations in slope-intercept form. So the first question we need to answer is, what is slope-intercept form? Slope-intercept form is expressed as y equals mx plus b, where the letter m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. For those that need review on slope, please watch my other video on slope where I go into the details of how to find it, how to calculate it, and what it actually means. So in this example, graph y equals 2x minus 1. Step 1, we need to identify the y-intercept and then graph it. So based on the y equals mx plus b form, negative 1 is the y-intercept. So we're going to plot that point and graph it. Next, we're going to identify the slope from the equation. So in this problem, the slope is 2. And in slope, that means we go up 2 and right 1. So from the y-intercept, we're going to go up 2 and right 1 and plot our next point. You could plot additional points if required, but 2 points is all we need for a line. So then we would draw our line through it, and we have our graph for y equals 2x minus 1. If we look at a special case, such as y equals 4, we can go through the same steps. So the y-intercept in this problem is 4. The slope in this problem is actually 0. So what that means is we go 0 up in any number to the right. So in this case, we're going to use the slope of 0 and plot our second point. And so when we have a 0 slope, we have a horizontal line through the y-intercept. Now, you may be given a problem in standard form, such as 3x plus 2y equals 6. So we need to first find the slope and y-intercept of that problem, because step 1 to graph is we need the y-intercept. So what we're going to do in this problem is get y by itself. So the first step we need is to subtract the x terms from both sides, leaving us with 2y equaling negative 3x plus 6. We would divide by 2 and then simplify our new equation to be y equals negative 3x plus 3. So we now have our y-intercept of positive 3, and so we're going to plot it. Now we're going to identify the slope, which is negative 3 over 2. That means we go down 3 and right 2. So from that y-intercept point, we're going to go down 3 and right 2 and draw our line. And now we have our graph for that equation.